Hello, Duster. My name is Eduardo from Boss Motor, presenting a personal video for you for this beautiful 2010 BMW R1200RT, 49,154 kilometers, and price is 10,478 plus HST and licensing. This motorcycle is fully safety certified, brand new tires front and rear. There's no any marks anywhere. The bike has been traded us. We traded in for another BMW, and the most important at this time, it's available. As I said, fully safety certified. Everything is stock. Nothing is added. It's coming from the factory, like as you see. Please reach me at 905-660-2901, extension 209, if you want me to secure this unit. On behalf of Boss Motor, thank you.